Here we have a problem on logarithm. Given that log 2 to the base 10 is equal to x, log 3 to the base 10 is equal to y, find the value of log 60 to the base 10. So we have to find the value of log 60 to the base 10. Okay, to get the value of log 60 to the base 10, we have to write this log 60 to the base 10 in terms of log 2 to the base 10 and log 3 to the base 10. So once we write log 60 to the base 10 in terms of log 2 and log 3, log 2 to the base 10 can be replaced by x and log 3 to the base 10 can be replaced by y, and we'll be able to get the value of log 60 to the base 10 in terms of x and y. Okay, for that what I'm going to do is I'm going to decompose 60 into the prime factors 2 and 3. So 60 is an even number, so we can divide it by 2. Then we get 30. Again, it's an even number, we divide it by 2, we get 15. It's an odd number and also a multiple of 3, so we can divide by 3, so we get 5. So 60 is equal to 2 times 2 can be written as 2 square times 3 times 5. Okay, so log 2 square times 3 times 5 to the base 10. Okay, now we can use the fundamental law, first fundamental law of logarithm. Here in argument we have 3 values multiplied. So we can take logarithm separately for each value and we have to add them all according to the first fundamental law of logarithm. So log 2 square to the base 10 plus log 3 to the base 10 plus log 5 to the base 10. Okay, here we can use in the first term log 2 square to the base 10, we can use a third fundamental law of logarithm, that is we can get this exponent in front of logarithm. So we get 2 log 2 to the base 10 plus log 3 to the base 10 in second. And we have to do something in the third term because we have log 5. Only for log 2 and log 3 we have x and y, that is we have x for log 2 and y for log 3, and for log 5 we don't have any variable. So what I am going to do is I am trying to write log 5 in terms of log 2 or log 3, whatever is possible. So log 5, instead of 5 we can write 10 divided by 2, because when I divide 10 by 2 I will be getting 5. So both are equal, so instead of 5 better we can write 10 divided by 2. Okay, here so for log 2 to the base 10 we can substitute x, because log 2 to the base 10 is equal to x, it is given in the question. So 2x plus for log 3 to the base 10 we can substitute y. And here two numbers are in division, we can use the second fundamental law of logarithm, that is log 10 to the base 10 minus log 2. Okay, here 2x plus y, and the value of log 10 to the base 10 is 1. Already we know if the base and argument both of them are equal, the value of such logarithm is 1 minus instead of this log 2 to the base 10, what we can write is we can write x. So now we have to simplify this expression. When I simplify this 2x and minus x, I will be getting x plus y plus 1. So the value of log 60 to the base 10 is equal to x plus y plus 1.